some chords. So we're going to look at the C chord, the F chord and the A minor chord. 3 nice and easy ones for the ukuleles. We're going to use the chord charts. If you're not sure how to read those, check out my video for the C and F chords because I explain how the chord charts work. Alright, so let's look at the C chord to start with. It's the 3rd fret on the A string and we play that with our 3rd finger. So it looks like that and it should sound like this. This is our C chord. Okay? Our F chord is our 1st fret on the E string and our 2nd fret on the G string. So it looks like that and it should sound like this. This is our F chord. Okay? And then the final chord is an A minor chord and it's our G string 2nd fret. So it should look like that and it should sound like this. This is our A minor chord and you can use your thumb or your 1st finger to strum, whatever you find easiest, okay? So, we're going to use the chord charts and we're going to play through it in a moment. You might notice little coloured ukuleles. That's because in school we use coloured stickers to represent the different chords. Alright, the first playthrough, don't panic, it's only 1 strum per chord. Okay, so we're going to play through the exercise now. It's just 1 strum for the first go. It starts on our C chord. Okay, so get yourselves ready. Here we go. 3, 4. Alright, now on to your F straight away. Thinking, moving back to your C, so you're always ready. Thinking ahead onto F. Now then, thinking about your A minor, lift your 1st finger off. Now for your F chord, just put your 1st finger back on. Okay, nice and easy now. A minor, thinking about your F chord. And the final chord, we move back to a C. Okay, how are we doing? Right, same thing again, but 2 strums this time. So we're still starting on our C chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, onto F. 1, 2, 3, back to C. 2, onto F. So we're always thinking ahead. Now A minor next, lift your 1st finger up. For F, put your 1st finger back. Alright, we're always counting as well. A minor, so my 1st finger's gone up. F. And then we move back to C. Okay? And the last playthrough is going to be 4 strums. Don't panic. If you miss the last strum, it's not the end of the world. Here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Onto F. 2. Move. Move. Thinking about A minor, so 1st finger up. Okay. 1st finger back down. 1st finger back up. Getting the hang of it. F. And we finish with a C. How did we do with that? Right, we'll play through it again in a moment and I'll try not to speak. Okay, so the final playthrough for C, F and A minor. And as I said, I'll try not to speak. We'll see. Ready? Here we go. And 1 strum. Okay, I managed not to speak, but only just. Right, here we go. Get yourselves ready. C to start. And go. 1. strums, but don't panic if you miss the last strum. Here we go, 3, 4. So, how was that? Don't panic if you need to. Go back, watch the video again and practice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.